Hello everyone, welcome to Dun Investments. This is a weekly analysis video and we start off with Nifty. Nifty has shown a wild move of 400 points in this week and today we saw the bottom was tested that was somewhere near 16,000 a psychological level and this low was protected by a put writers with their heavy conviction and we saw a short covering trade on making Nifty move 200 points from the low and towards the closing day end closing. So now what we can analyze. This area is a low trading zone between 16 to 50 and 16130. Anything below this can give some intraday scalp on the downside towards 16,000. Anything above this can give a scalp intraday scalp towards the highest range of 16,400. Now 16,000 be acting as a psychological level and also we see on the option chain that it is the highest put writing zone. पुट राइटर्स यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी पोजीशन होल्ड करके खड़े हैं कल के एक्सपायरी के लिए सेम थिंग विद 16,400 वहाँ पे सबसे हाईएस्ट कॉल राइटिंग है फॉलोइंग फॉलो विद 16,500 now the major area to trade is below this area, that is below the low of 15,980, and we will be in for a bigger downside, that is 15,840, 15,740. Sorry, about 16,400 we will see a short covering trade happening towards 16,500 and 16,600. निफ्टी का एक अनफिनिश्ड बिजनेस बाकी है 16,600 और लेवल्स पर but looking at global sentiments we have to see how we open up tomorrow morning sensing that we might open negative but anything can happen tomorrow morning. So for now major trend will be decided below 15,980 and above 16,425. In between, we might have few opportunities on the lower time frame for intraday traders to scalp 20 to 50 points on Nifty as an option trader. Moving on, Bank Nifty again showing some strength as compared to Nifty and closing towards the day high or you can say towards the week highest range. What we can expect? 34,800, 35,000 acting as a strong resistance because of all writers and on the lower side psychological level 34,000. This was tested basically on 9th, that is 2 days back, 2 to 3 days back. So 34,000 psychological level acted as a strong support and then with the put riders conviction holding their position we saw an uptrend again. Now bank nifty has shown a 800 points range again as per nifty इसके ऊपर. If we see bank nifty about 34,850 we will see 150 to 200 points, sorry, 115 to 250 points move on the higher side on bank nifty, that is 35,000 psychological level and 35,130. Below this we are in for 3 to 400 points. The lowest bank nifty that I'm looking at intraday is 33,400 and the highest that we can see is 35,300. But it will only happen about 34,840 levels and downside will happen only below 33,900. Moving on, Balkrishna Industry looking weak on a daily time frame. It has shown a continuous fall. एक continuous fall हुआ है बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्रीज में, but again, if I have to show you the reason of the weakness to continue, this is the candlestick. Now, if you're aware about this candlestick, it is a bearish engulfing candle. Any price, like trading below 1930, any price trading below 1930 will trigger a short trade on this particular counter, and we might see this level possibly tested intraday or positional basis, that is 1880 1825 to 1830, you can say, and the lower end is 1750. But I will only enter below 1930 as an intraday. I am happy to scalp on the downside positional. I am bit skeptical because of market showing some wild gap up and gap down. Again, this is not any kind of trading advice or investing tip. I mean, trading tip or investing advice, whatever you may call it as, but this is purely for education purpose. If this short trade is triggered, I would maintain a stop loss of 1965 as per my risk appetite and trail it further in my favor. Moving on in petro, again we can see this trend line resisting. I mean price resisting on this particular trend line. It has been tested few times now, and what we can see, as soon as the price come near this trend line, we see a downtrend. Now any breakdown below this particular area of 260, we can, I mean, I would personally look for a pullback and then enter for much lower level towards 245. This is Hen Petro. If the short trade is triggered below 260 on Hen Petro, I would maintain a stop loss of 270. That would give me a decent risk reward ratio of 1 is to almost 2 for intraday. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe. Also press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family and help me grow. Thank you so much.